Hey guys, ServiceMonster works really hard to providing you with some of the best education materials available. And we get asked on a regular basis, though, whether or not we provide on-site education. Why? Because these business owners understand that they're not necessarily using the power of ServiceMonster to grow and dominate their marketplace like they could. That a visit to headquarters to sit down with the people whose lives are dedicated to building this product can actually guide them and give them some insight that goes far beyond what button to click on. And I agree with them. Here I am at the beautiful Bellingham Bellwether Hotel on the Pacific Coast, where we'll be hosting our first ever business symposium, August 13th and 14th. 25 tickets. It's a small, intimate setting. We're going to do a deep dive into those businesses. There's more information on the link below, so go click that. But I would encourage you to spend a couple days on your business, and I would like to hang out with you. So come join me, and I look forward to seeing you.